Easy pizza recipe. Measure 1 teaspoon or 7 grams of yeast. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Dissolve with 1/2 cup of water. Add another 1/2 cup of water. Add 370 grams of plain flour gradually to the yeast mixture. Add salt as needed and continue kneading. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it double in size. Add some olive oil and salt to the dough. Continue kneading until the dough becomes soft. I'm using a silicone spatula for kneading because it doesn't create a mess. Divide the dough into 2. Now grease the baking trays with oil. Flatten the relaxed dough on the tray with hands. This is not perfectly round, so let's call it a New York-style pizza. Make holes on the flattened dough with a fork. You can make to 12-inch pizzas with this dough. While this is coming out perfectly round, let's call it a classic pizza. Next, add the sauce base. I'm using a mix of tomato sauce, sweet chili sauce, and oyster sauce. Add mozzarella cheese, little Parmesan cheese, and toppings as you like. Bake the pizzas at 140 degrees Celsius for around 40 minutes. Pizzas are ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.